Hey everyone, it's Ajay. Today we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked, your kidneys. Kidney disease is called a silent killer because symptoms are subtle until major damage is done. Let's break down 12 warning signs your kidneys need help, so you can act before it's too late. First up, persistent unexplained fatigue. This isn't just being tired after a long day, it's a deep exhaustion that doesn't improve with rest. Healthy kidneys produce EPO, a hormone that helps make red blood cells to carry oxygen. When kidneys fail, EPO drops, leading to anemia and that overwhelming tiredness. If you're always drained and foggy, don't just blame stress, your kidneys could be struggling. This kind of fatigue is a red flag for a deeper issue. Listen to your body and don't ignore this warning. Have you ever noticed swelling in your ankles, feet, or even around your eyes, especially when you wake up in the morning? Maybe your shoes feel tighter than usual, or your socks leave deep marks on your skin. Sometimes you might catch your reflection and see puffiness under your eyes that wasn't there before. These changes can be subtle at first, but they're important signals from your body. This isn't just ordinary bloating or the result of eating a salty meal. What you're seeing is actually fluid that your kidneys are struggling to remove from your body. When your kidneys aren't working properly, they can't filter out excess water and waste as efficiently as they should. As a result, this extra fluid starts to build up in your tissues, causing visible swelling. Healthy kidneys act like a natural filtration system, removing waste and extra fluid from your blood, but when they're damaged, this process slows down or stops, and the fluid has nowhere to go. It collects in the soft tissues of your body, especially in areas like your lower legs, ankles, feet, and even around your eyes. Swelling, particularly in your lower legs and ankles, is one of the most common and noticeable signs of this problem. You might also notice that your legs feel heavy, tight, or uncomfortable as the day goes on. Puffy eyes in the morning are another classic sign. This happens because fluid tends to accumulate around your eyes while you sleep, making the swelling more obvious when you first wake up. If you press your finger into a swollen area and it leaves a visible indentation that stays for a few seconds, this is called pitting edema. It's a strong warning sign that your body is holding on to too much fluid, and your kidneys may not be keeping up. Persistent puffiness or swelling that doesn't go away is a sign that your body's fluid management system is under stress. It's not just uncomfortable, it can be a sign of a serious underlying health issue that needs attention. Don't ignore swelling, even if it seems minor. It's your body's way of telling you that something isn't right. Early detection and action can make a big difference in your health and well-being. If you notice unexplained swelling, especially if it's persistent or getting worse, it's time to check in with your doctor. They can help determine the cause and guide you toward the right treatment so you can protect your kidneys and your overall health. Did you know that your urine can reveal a lot about your kidney health? Changes in urination are often some of the very first and most direct clues that your kidneys might be in trouble. Your body uses urine as a way to get rid of waste and extra fluid, so when something is off with your kidneys, it often shows up here first. Paying attention to what you see in the toilet bowl can help you catch problems early, before they become serious. For example, have you noticed that you need to pee much more often than usual, especially at night? Or maybe you're going less frequently than you used to? Both of these changes can be concerning. Waking up multiple times during the night to urinate or feeling a sudden urgent need to go can be signs that your kidneys aren't filtering properly. On the other hand, urinating much less than normal could mean your kidneys are struggling to remove waste from your body. Another important clue is the color of your urine. Healthy urine is usually light yellow and clear. If you notice your urine is dark, tea-colored, or has a strong odor, it could be a sign of dehydration or kidney issues. Foamy or bubbly urine is another warning sign. This can mean there's protein in your urine, which shouldn't be there if your kidneys are working well. Excessive foam or bubbles in your urine is not normal. It often means that protein is leaking from your blood into your urine, which is a sign that the tiny filters in your kidneys are damaged. This is called proteinuria, and it's a red flag for kidney disease. Healthy kidneys act like a sieve, keeping important things like protein in your blood while letting waste and extra water pass into your urine. When these filters are damaged, protein escapes into your urine, which is why you might see foam or bubbles. So, don't ignore changes in how often you pee, the color of your urine, or if you notice foaminess. These are your body's way of sending you a message that something might be wrong with your kidneys. Keeping track of these changes can help you and your doctor catch kidney problems early. Remember, these symptoms are clear messages from your kidneys. If you notice any of them, especially if they're new or getting worse, it's important to take them seriously. Don't wait or hope the problem will go away on its own. If you see changes in your urine, talk to your doctor as soon as possible. Early detection can make a big difference in protecting your kidney health. Blood in your urine, pink, red, or cola-colored, is never normal. This means your kidney filters are damaged, letting blood cells leak through. Causes range from kidney disease to stones or infections. Even if you can't see blood, microscopic hematuria can show up on a urine test. Any blood in urine needs urgent medical attention. Don't wait, get checked immediately. Persistent severe itching, especially all over your body, can be a sign of kidney failure. When kidneys can't filter waste, toxins like urea build up and irritate your skin. High phosphorus levels can also cause itchy, irritated skin. If lotions don't help and the itch is relentless, it's likely a systemic problem. This is common in advanced kidney disease. Don't dismiss it as just dry skin. See your doctor if you can't get relief. Gasping for air is a terrifying experience. Most people immediately think of heart or lung problems when they suddenly find themselves short of breath. But did you know that struggling to breathe can also be a sign of kidney trouble? It's true, your kidneys play a much bigger role in your overall health than you might realize. When you find yourself unable to catch your breath, it's your body's way of sounding an alarm that something serious could be happening beneath the surface. When your kidneys start to fail, they can't remove excess fluid from your body as efficiently. This extra fluid doesn't just stay in your legs or feet, it can actually build up in your lungs. Imagine trying to breathe with water filling up the spaces where air should be. That's what happens when fluid collects in your lungs, making every breath feel like a struggle. This is why people with kidney disease often find themselves gasping for air, especially when lying down or during the night. But that's not the only way kidney disease can leave you breathless. Healthy kidneys help your body make red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout your body. When your kidneys are damaged, you can develop anemia, a shortage of red blood cells. With less oxygen reaching your muscles and organs, even simple activities can leave you feeling exhausted and out of breath. You might notice you're more tired than usual, or that climbing stairs suddenly feels impossible. If you ever find yourself breathless even while resting, or if you wake up in the night gasping for air, don't ignore it. This could be a sign of a medical emergency. Severe shortness of breath means your body isn't getting the oxygen it needs, and waiting too long to get help can be life-threatening. Don't just assume you're out of shape or blame it on getting older. Many people dismiss these symptoms thinking they'll go away on their own, but ignoring breathlessness can be dangerous, especially if it's caused by fluid in your lungs or severe anemia from kidney disease. Both fluid in your lungs and severe anemia are serious, life-threatening conditions that require immediate medical attention. The sooner you get help, the better your chances of recovery. If you or someone you love suddenly becomes short of breath, especially if it happens at rest or comes on suddenly, don't wait. Call for emergency help right away. Quick action can save a life. Remember, your kidneys could be the hidden culprit behind your breathing problems. If you notice these symptoms, talk to your doctor about your kidney health. Taking care of your kidneys could help you breathe easier and live longer. High blood pressure and kidney disease go hand in hand. Damaged kidneys can't regulate fluid or hormones, causing your blood pressure to spike. Uncontrolled hypertension can further damage your kidneys, creating a dangerous cycle. If your blood pressure is hard to control or starts young, get your kidneys checked. Don't ignore high blood pressure. It's both a cause and a result of kidney problems. Early detection is key. Talk to your doctor about your kidney health. Lost your appetite or feel full after just a few bites? Toxins from kidney failure can suppress hunger and make food taste off. This can lead to weight loss and malnutrition. If you're suddenly uninterested in eating, especially with other symptoms, it's serious. Appetite loss often means kidney disease is advancing. Don't ignore it, get checked. Frequent, painful muscle cramps, especially at night, can signal kidney issues. Kidneys regulate minerals like calcium and potassium. When they fail, these minerals get out of balance, causing cramps and spasms. Occasional cramps are normal but persistent. Severe ones are not. It's your body's way of saying the chemical balance is off. Don't just hydrate. See your doctor. Your kidneys might be struggling. Chronic insomnia or restless nights can be linked to kidney disease. Toxins in your blood disrupt your brain and sleep-wake cycle. Kidney disease also increases your risk for sleep apnea and restless leg syndrome. If you're tossing and turning or your legs feel twitchy, it could be more than stress. Poor sleep is a common but overlooked kidney warning. Don't ignore ongoing sleep problems. Get your kidneys checked if sleep issues persist. Persistent nausea and vomiting, especially in the morning, can mean advanced kidney disease. High toxin levels irritate your stomach and gut, making you feel sick. This isn't a passing bug, it's a sign your body is overwhelmed with waste. Morning nausea is especially common as toxins build up overnight. If you're constantly queasy, see a doctor right away. It's a sign your kidneys need urgent attention. A metallic taste in your mouth or ammonia-like breath is a classic kidney warning. Urea buildup in your blood breaks down into ammonia in your saliva, causing this taste and odor. Food may taste off, and you might lose your appetite. This is called dysgeusia and signals advanced kidney disease. If you notice this, don't ignore it. It's time for a medical checkup. Those are 12 warning signs your kidneys might be in trouble. Don't ignore persistent changes. Your kidneys are vital, and early action matters. If any of these symptoms sound familiar, see your doctor and get tested. Simple blood and urine tests can catch kidney problems early. Early detection can slow or prevent serious complications. Thanks for watching. Share this video, subscribe, and stay proactive about your health. Take care and listen to your body.